Welcome to Braylen AV. Most millionaires, according to Andrew Carnegie, got their wealth from real estate investing. Today's millionaires and billionaires still share Carnegie's passion for real estate investments because of the advantages it offers. There are several methods to building riches in this field. This kind of investing can lead to millions, but only with the right steps. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and click the notification bell. Number 1. Flipping houses. Flipping houses is when you purchase a home that might gain value with the appropriate renovations and changes. You profit money by selling the house for a lot more than you paid for when the remodeling is finished. Although flipping homes can appear straightforward, it's not as simple as it sounds. If done incorrectly, flipping a property may quickly lead to stress. Also, you definitely don't want to lose money. The goal is to invest wisely and profit from it. For this reason, many individuals hire an appraiser to determine the worth. A properly executed property flip may be a fantastic investment and can make you millions. Number 2. Rentals. This is the tried and true method of becoming wealthy and generating money in real estate. There will always be a need for housing. You could get land, put up a house, and rent it out. You might locate neglected homes, fix them up, and then rent them out. The consistent income flow that rental properties offer is one of its main advantages. It is the most popular type of real estate ownership for generating passive income. Once you own numerous rental homes, this technique is probably the one that will allow you to provide a stable income to live off of. Real estate is one of the safest ways to get wealthy, as long as you control expenditures and the properties themselves. If you want to learn how to get rich, keep in mind that this is one of your best options. Number 3. Buying land. To diversify their portfolios, millionaire investors make the sensible strategic decision to invest in land. Surprisingly, many investors fail to take land into consideration. Purchasing land offers several ways to make money. Luckily, this is not just for the wealthy. A novice investor may still earn a sizable sum of money. The possession of land increases your earning potential and financial options. On your property, you have the option of building a house, developing a rental property, or even growing crops. Number 4. Real estate appreciation. Real estate appreciation, a rise in the property's value that is recognized when you sell, is the most typical way to generate wealth. The main factors influencing the value of residential and commercial real estate are location, development, and upgrades. The most typical method that real estate generates income is through value growth. A homeowner may attempt to raise the value of a home by adding an extra bathroom, heating garage, or updating a kitchen with cutting-edge equipment, to name a few methods. Number 5. Real estate blogging. Real estate blogging is similar to other blogging specialties. Your target audience and content are the only things that differ. If you enjoy writing and are interested in real estate, starting a real estate blog can help you earn millions. Simply be yourself, and give the facts that your intended audience will find interesting. As you begin writing and growing a following, you can make money by placing ads on your blog. Some even got rich selling products on their blog. Number 6. Home photo shoots, photography. It's crucial to capture a home with the ideal lighting, viewpoint, and editing. You may hone this skill of photography as a real estate photographer by specializing in it. After you collaborate with a number of real estate brokers, your wealth potential can increase. And the possibilities go far beyond photography. There is always a need for staging, especially for luxurious residences. Number 7. Invest in REITs. A publicly traded real estate investment trust REITs can generate income similarly to equities. You receive dividends from the company's profits, and if the market value of your shares rises, you may sell them for a profit. Of course, the amount you make is significantly influenced by the REIT's management success, as well as market circumstances. A real estate investment trust may frequently offer a respectable return of 5 to 10% or more. There are specific tax benefits and regulations. For instance, in order to avoid paying corporation taxes, a REIT must distribute a substantial amount of its net earnings to shareholders each year. The investor will earn more thanks to this guideline. Number 8. Property management business. There are various services that a property management business may provide for a fee. The simple part of charging fees is having everything secure. You have the opportunity to decide how much money your firm will generate. If you get it right, you'll undoubtedly be successful. Number 9. Real estate developer. Purchasing property, turning it into a residential neighborhood, and then selling the individual lots to homebuilders are some of the ways real estate developers make millions. They might even decide to construct the homes themselves before selling them, or sell the entire subdivision to a single builder. The difference between the purchase price of the land and the cost of development, less any money borrowed to fund the project, is the developer's profit, which is typically a sizable amount. Developers may design projects that not only generate revenue but also enhance the quality of life for those who live in them. By knowing the demands of their target audience and having the flexibility to adapt to trends, a real estate developer can make millions. Number 10. Having an excellent realtor. There are many benefits of working with an excellent realtor. Realtors normally are familiar with every home on the market, and they work to identify the ones that meets your price range and needs. The agent will assist you in making the purchasing procedure simple and stress-free. They possess the knowledge to determine if a certain home is over or underpriced. To assess all the information that influences house prices, they will also do a comparative market study. Real estate agents are excellent negotiators. They are aware of what typically works and what doesn't. Furthermore, whether you're selling or purchasing a home or investment property, it's your agent's duty to secure the greatest deal for you. To make a compelling argument and ensure you receive top dollar, they will leverage their study of comparable properties in the neighborhood. Additionally, the agent you choose will be available for you in the future should you need to sell or purchase another piece of property. This is an additional benefit to hiring an excellent real estate agent. Real estate is a great vehicle for building wealth. Owning real estate has so many benefits, including leverage, tax advantages and appreciation, that finding a property can result in a profitable long-term investment. Equity appreciation usually accounts for the majority of the money and wealth you acquire in real estate. Looking for an amazing realtor and want to sell or buy a home? Check out our description link below. If you found this information helpful and know someone who needs it, please share this video. We have 2 more wealth building videos for you.